Hello students, today we are going to calculate the most important numerical which is based on series RC circuit. So I hope you are ready with your pen and paper. So without wasting much time, let us start this video. So already we have discussed the theoretical portion of series RC circuit in which we have derived certain equations. That equations we will use in this numerical to calculate it. So on the board, one numerical is given in which one resistor of 3 ohms resistance and one capacitor of 25 microfarad capacitance are connected in series with each other with one alternating voltage source having the equation of 10 sine 10 is to 4t plus 30 degree. Now questions are 6. So first is capacitive reactance you have to find, impedance you have to find peak value of current which is known as maximum value, equation of current you have to find, then equation of potential for resistor you have to find, and equation of potential for capacitor you have to find. So one by one we will calculate each and everything. So first is capacitive reactance. So number one, capacitive reactance is denoted by Xc, and whose value is what? If you have remembered, 1 upon omega C. Like XL, that inductive reactance XL is equals to omega L. So Xc is equals to 1 upon omega C. Okay. So which is equals to, now omega is given, no it is not given. So what we will do, we will compare this equation with standard equation, and standard equation is what? V is equals to Vm sine of omega t. So by comparing both, what you can say, maximum potential is how much? 10. So I will write Vm is equals to what? 10 volt. Then omega is what? Sine of t. Then omega is what? 10 raised to 4. So I will write omega is equals to 10 raised to 4 what? Radian per second. So 1 upon C means omega. Omega is 10 raised to 4. Multiply with C is given capacitance. Yes, capacitance is given, which is how much? 25 microfarad. We want the value in farad. So it will be our 25 into micro means 10 raised to minus 6 farad. Okay, same value I will write over here, 25 into 10 raised to minus 6 farad. Okay, so 10 raised to 4, that 6 will cancel, 10 raised to minus 2, that means over here 100 by 25, so that will be your 4. So Xc is equals to what? 4. It is your one type of resistance which is in ohms. So X is clear. Okay, first answer. Now we'll move on with the next. Second is what? Impedance. Now value of impedance you know very well, total resistance, which is the under square root of Xc square plus R square. Now Xc square, X is how much? X is 4 square plus R is given, R is 3, so that will be your 3 square. So it will be your under square root of 4 4s are 16 plus 3 3s are 9, so it will be your square root of 25, so it will be a 5 square. So that is impedance is 5, that is total resistance, it is in ohms. So that is your answer number 2. Now we'll move on with the third portion. Third portion is what? Peak value of current or maximum value of current. We'll apply Ohm's law. So how will apply? V is equals to IR. We want peak value, so IM is equals to VM into R. Okay. Now as you know, we are considering impedance when two or more devices are connected with each other. So instead of R, what we can write? We can write Z. So Vm is equals to Im into Z. We want maximum current, so which is equals to Vm by Z. Vm is how much? Vm is 10 volt. And Z is how much? Z is 5. So 5 2s are 10. So maximum value of current is how much? 2 ampere. So that is your answer number 3. Okay, now we will move on with the next. Next is which one? Number 4. Number 4 is what? Equation of current you have to calculate. So for that purpose, you have to draw the phasor diagram. How you will draw the phasor diagram? That for pure resistive circuit, what you can say? Potential is in the phase of current, or current is in the phase of potential. Okay, for pure capacitive circuit, what you are saying? That current leads the potential by 90 degree. That means current आगे चलता है किससे? Potential से in the case of pure capacitive circuit. Okay, then both is combined. So if both is combined, then that will be your resultant. And that equation we want, equation of current when both are combined. So that is what? Phi. So still we can say what? Current leads the potential by phi. So if equation of potential is given as 10 sine of 10 raised to 4t plus 30 degree, then current equation will be what? Phase of current is what? That is, phase of current is phi. That means current what? Leads the potential by phi. So I will write I is equals to Im sine of 10 raised to 4t plus 30 degree plus phi. Why I am writing plus phi? Because current leads the potential by phi. That is why plus. ओके, दैट मीन्स करंट आगे चल रहा है, कितना आगे चल रहा है? पोटेंशियल से फाई जितना आगे चल रहा है। तो फाई जितना आगे चल रहा है, करंट का फेज कैसा है? ज्यादा है पोटेंशियल से। कितना ज्यादा है? फाई जितना ज्यादा है। ठीक है, अच्छा, नाउ I is equals to Im, maximum value of current is how much? 2 ampere. So 2 sine of omega t, omega is how much? 10 raised to 4 t plus 30 degree plus value of phi. You have to calculate. How will calculate the value of phi? So I will take the reference of this diagram, that is pure resistive circuit in which R will come, that is pure capacitive circuit in which thing will come? Xc will come, capacitive reactance will come, and we want the total of this. So total of this will be what? This will be your impedance, which is Z, and that angle is how much? That angle is phi. If I will draw one line over here, so that line represents the value of Xc. Okay, so Z I will write properly. Okay, so from this diagram, can I find the value of tan phi? So tan phi is equals to what? Tan phi is equals to, that is your Xc by R. Okay, perpendicular by base. Now tan phi is equals to, Xc is how much? Xc we have calculated 4 ohms, and R is how much? R is 3. So phi is equals to tan inverse 4 by 3, and tan inverse 4 by 3 triangle is very much famous, which is, you have remembered maybe, that is your 4, that is your 3, and that degree is how much? 53 degree. So you can say that tan 53 degree is equals to 4 by 3 perpendicular by base. So 53 degree is equals to tan inverse of 4 by 3. So tan inverse of 4 by 3 value is phi, and phi is what? 53. So phi is equals to what? 53 degree. So that is, we will insert over here 53 degree. So I is equals to 2 sine 10 raised to 4 t plus, that will be your 83 degree in terms of ampere. So that is the answer of question number 4. Okay, similarly question number 5, you have to find out the equation for potential for resistor only. For resistor only, that means if equation of current is this, then equation of potential will be what? V is equals to Vm of sine what? 10 raised to 4 t plus 83. Why same? Phase is same, 83, because we know that for the case of pure resistive circuit, current is in phase with potential, यानी current का जो phase है वही potential का phase आएगा in the case of pure resistive circuit. Okay, so over here you have to find out what? Value of Vm. So value of Vm, how we will find? So over here I will write value of Vm. You know that Ohm's law again. Ohm's law is what? V is equals to IR. So I will say Vm is equals to Im R. So Vm is equals to Im is how much? Somewhere over here we have calculated Im 2 ampere, and R is how much? R is 3. So 2 3 is 6. So Vm is equals to what? 6 volt. So I will write the equation for potential for resistor only. So Vm is a 6 of sine omega t plus phase is same as current, because in pure resistive circuit current is in phase with potential. So that is the answer of 5th question, equation of potential. Now we'll move on with the next equation for potential for capacitor. So current equation is this, and in the case of capacitor, what we know? Pure capacitor, what we know? Current leads the potential by 90 degree. So if current equation is that, the potential equation, that is for resistor, that is for capacitor. Okay, so for that we can write as Vm sine Vm of what? Vm of C sine 10 raised to 4 t plus 83 degree plus 90 degree. Why 90 degree? Because for the case of capacitor, what we are saying? Current leads the potential by 90 degree. Okay, Okay, current leads the potential by 90 degree. That means पोटेंशियल लैग्स बिहाइंड द करंट. पोटेंशियल पीछे चल रहा है. कितना पीछे चल रहा है? 90 डिग्री. पीछे मीन्स माइनस, आगे मीन्स प्लस. ओके. अच्छा. So VC is equals to Vm of C. You have to calculate, that is your Vm of R. Now Vm of C, how will calculate? Vm is equals to Im into R. But in the case of capacitor, we know that it is not resistance, but just like resistance, which is known as Xc. So instead of R, I will write Xc. So Vm is equals to Im value is 2 ampere and Xc value is 4 ampere. So Vm of capacitor is 2 4 the 8 volt. So Vm of C, 8 into sine of 10 raised to 4t, that is your 83 minus, so minus what? 7 degree in terms of volt. So that is the answer of what? Equation of potential for capacitor. So in this way we can solve this type of numerical. So I hope you are able to understand all the things. So now I would like to end this video. So till then, read hard, work hard. Thank you very much.